This 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 315BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 3 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Gunstock interior, sleeps 8, air conditioning, spare tire kit, water heater, external shower, microwave, TV antenna, self-contained, slideout, oven, skylight, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 315BH is 8,066 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.